Well, hello everyone. I am Teresa with Scott's Honest Reviews. Scott received this product free in order for him to review it. Today we are going to show you the freestanding umbrella. Now this is a heavy-duty piece. So it comes in a few different pieces. We are going to put it together today. So it's large, extremely large. So what we're first going to do is we are going to get the stand, put that together, then I'll show you how the piece goes on. All right, we have the stand, which is in a crisscross shape. So the stand goes down. And then this gets bolted on top of the stand. All right, so this is the umbrella part. It's huge. This is for a large area. So this is the umbrella part. So what it does is it goes on a stand like this, and it will hang out over on a self-freeing stand. And the umbrella is huge, like really, really, really big. And that is the freestanding large umbrella.